Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, I'll explain what makes Japanese condominiums unique.
Japanese condominiums have several unique features that may surprise foreign buyers. First, monthly management fees. Condominium owners usually pay monthly management fees. These fees are used for building cleaning, maintenance, and management of shared areas. Second, repair reserve funds. Owners also pay a monthly repair reserve fund. This money is saved for future major repairs such as exterior walls, elevators, and building maintenance. Third, professional building management. Most condominiums in Japan are managed by professional management companies. This helps keep buildings clean and well maintained. Fourth, strict building rules. Many condominiums have rules about pets, renovations, and building usage. These rules help maintain a comfortable living environment for residents. Overall, these systems help maintain the quality and long-term value of Japanese condominiums.
To learn more about property in Fukuoka, please check the link below.